Let's see how to download Microsoft Office for free from Microsoft.com legally. So go to Microsoft.com and click search, type Office and click enter. So it's gonna basically land you in this Explore tab. So click shop. So this is their Microsoft store. So here you can see Microsoft 365 Office under free section. So click here, simply download. I already downloaded and installed, so which is why I have this Word, Excel and everything. So you can simply download and it's gonna ask you to sign in and just sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can just create one for free. They're not gonna charge you any money for that. So that's it. This is how you can get the Microsoft 365, which is Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook for free. Thank you. Bye.